take a look at some of the highlights here of our first set. Most of the highlights obviously will belong to the better squad that won our first match.
Right. Makikita mo yung movements of Gonzaga and Morada talagang placing pinapatakbo nila yung opponent nila na sila Arado and Pepito.
As we take a look at the highlights here of set number 2. Set number 1 had mostly highlights of the squad of Micah Morada and ito si Jovelyn Gonzaga. But right now, Generica Ayala says, second set, kami naman ang bida. And this could be it. Morada. Yes!
That's it. 15-8. But ang galing ng pinalabas ng Generica Ayala B. I mean, ang habol sa bola, the effort was there, the communication was there. It's just that you're going up against Gonzaga and Morada. I mean, these are established veteran players of beach volleyball. So, okay na yun. Okay yung performance nila.
As you said, an excellent effort by Generica Ayala B, but they go down as Signal HD picks up their first victory here with a 2-1 victory sa Challenge Cup 2017.
Kasama ko ngayon ang ating winning team, si Micah Morada at saka si Joves Gonzaga. Nako, congratulations to you girls! Game well played. Now, matanong ko lang sa inyong dalawa, ano bang naging pinaka-strength ng kapunan nyo at napanalo nyo ang match nyo na ito, Joves?
Siguro yung communication namin kasi tuloy-tuloy talaga, nag-uusap talaga kami, nag-a-adjust kami. Since first game namin to, kailangan talaga namin ng communication. So siguro dun muna kami ngayon nag-umpisa sa communication namin and nag-follow through na lang yung galaw namin and yung panalo namin.
Nakita nga talaga namin na first game pa lang maganda na ang chemistry nyo sa team. Now ngayon, Micah, matanong rin kita, ng second set naman, medyo nag-collapse kayo at natalo kayo ng set na yun. Ikwento mo naman sa amin what went wrong during that set.
Siguro na-pressure ako dun sa hindi ko nare-receive ng maayos and thankful naman ako kasi andyan yung partner ko na motivate talaga ako. So siguro yun it's more on communication and tiwala ko sa bawat at siguro.
Nakita nga namin na talagang nakabawi kayo ng sumunod na set na yan.